This thing can hit nearly 100 miles per hour in a dive, looks like a flying barrel with wings, and somehow delivers one of the most thrilling scale flying experiences you can buy today. The R-2 is a faithful replica of one of aviation history's most iconic race planes from the golden age of air racing. Back in the 1930s, the real GB aircraft were famous for two things: insane speed and demanding skill from the pilot. Their teardrop-shaped fuselage and tiny wings made them instantly recognizable, and honestly, a little terrifying. But now, E-flite has taken that legendary design and packed it into a modern RC platform, loaded with advanced technology that makes this aircraft not only exciting, but genuinely enjoyable to fly. And trust me, this isn't just another warbird or sport plane. This thing has personality. The first thing you notice is the incredible scale realism. E-flite absolutely nailed the iconic outline of the GB. From the oversized fuselage to the compact wings, it looks exactly like the full-scale racer. And the details? They're everywhere. You get molded panel lines, a simulated radial engine, scale flying wires, and even a pilot figure inside the cockpit. It genuinely looks like a museum piece sitting on the runway. But this isn't just about looks. The landing gear is shock-absorbing, which helps smooth out rough touchdowns, and the oversized wheels make takeoffs and landings much easier than you'd expect from an aircraft shaped like this. There's also a steerable tail wheel for improved ground handling, which is a huge bonus during taxiing. One of the best surprises about this airplane is how convenient it is. Despite all the scale detail, assembly is fast. The one-piece wing includes hands-free servo connections, meaning less time plugging things in and more time flying. And because it's only 1 meter in size, you can easily transport it in most vehicles without fully disassembling the plane every time. That alone makes it much more practical than larger-scale aircraft.
Now, let's talk about what really matters: performance. The R-2 comes equipped with a powerful 4S-compatible Outrunner motor paired with a Spectrum Avian 70-amp SmartLight ESC. Using a 4S battery between 3,200 and 5,000 milliamps, this aircraft absolutely rips through the sky. And yes, it's fast. In a dive, pilots have reported speeds approaching 100 miles per hour. But what's impressive isn't just the speed, it's the smoothness. This airplane tracks beautifully through large sweeping turns, high-speed passes, and acrobatic maneuvers. Rolls feel crisp, loops look massive, and low passes, pure adrenaline. Yet somehow, it still maintains surprisingly stable slow-speed handling. That's the magic here. You expect the GB to feel impossible to control, but E-flite engineered this model to be dramatically more forgiving than its full-scale inspiration. And a huge reason for that is the advanced onboard technology. The bind-and-fly basic version includes a Spectrum AR631 Plus receiver with enhanced AS3X Plus stabilization technology. This system smooths out turbulence and wind better than previous generations, making the airplane feel more locked in and predictable during flight. Then there's Safe Select. For pilots stepping into a more advanced scale aircraft, Safe Select can provide optional flight envelope protection and bank angle limits that help prevent overcorrection. So while this is definitely an airplane aimed at intermediate to experienced pilots, the technology makes the learning curve far less intimidating. Honestly, without these systems, flying a GB-style aircraft would be a completely different experience.
What really makes this airplane special is the emotional experience of flying it. Every pass feels dramatic, every turn looks unique, and every landing feels rewarding. At the field, this is the plane everyone watches, not just because it's rare, but because it has such an aggressive, unmistakable presence in the air. It doesn't fly like a trainer. It doesn't fly like a warbird. It flies like a racing machine. And once you hear that motor scream past at full throttle, you instantly understand why the GB became legendary. Now, is this the right RC plane for beginners? Probably not. But for intermediate pilots looking to move into something more unique and exciting, or experienced pilots wanting a standout racer aircraft, this aircraft is absolutely incredible. It combines classic aviation history with modern RC technology in a way very few airplanes can. The R-2 isn't just another RC airplane. It's a flying piece of aviation history, reimagined with modern power, stabilization, and convenience. It looks stunning, it sounds amazing, and it delivers one of the most thrilling scale flying experiences available today. If you've ever wanted an RC aircraft that turns heads every single time it takes off, this might be the perfect addition to your hangar. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insane RC aircraft reviews and flight experiences.
PureRtech. Like, comment, and subscribe.